We had a couple of very windy and snowy days. It often happens that we make plans, but the weather makes its own adjustments. We thought about going to work in the forest today, but with this much snow, we decided to do indoor activities. We have quite a lot of berries and even apples in the freezer. Now in the winter it is so good to make something delicious from it. Oven-baked apples with a crispy crumble are so good with cold milk. The next day the storm had died down and it was not snowing anymore, so we could continue with our outdoor activities. The animals were running out of hay and we needed to roll out a new bale of hay. Since we don't have a tractor in our household, we have to use our own power. For some reason, one of our sheep started looking for milk from our dairy cow. We have lived in the country for 5 years, and during that time, we have never cut down a single living tree in our forest. So far, we have been able to heat the house with the trees that the wind has broken. Of course, it is difficult to make firewood by hand like we do, but if we focus on how hard and how bad everything is, then we are right and we have only get caught up in the negative thoughts. If we accept challenges bravely and also learn to appreciate hard work, it will make every day perfect, make us feel alive and happy. We do not think that everything is difficult and bad, that we do not want to do and do not feel like it. It is difficult to force ourselves to work outside. especially when the snow is blowing in our face and the wind is so strong that we could lose the hat. But once we are outside and the work is in full swing, it somehow starts to feel so good and easy. The second day after carrying heavy firewood, our muscles ache, but it is good pain. We know that we had a good workout without paying an expensive monthly gym fee. After a long day of work, it is nice to have a warm soup waiting for us in the kitchen. Soup helps us warm up faster. We don't usually cook chickens, only roosters. But this chicken was old and stopped laying eggs a long time ago. Food is not wasted in the country, and sometimes we have to make some not so pleasant decisions. Some people say that you can't cook an old chicken because it won't go tender. But I've discovered that if you put the chicken in a wood-fired oven for a night, the meat becomes very tender and simply falls off the bones. One chicken can feed our family for many days. From this chicken I make a nice creamy pasta, mashed potatoes with shredded meat and a big pot of hearty soup from the broth.